Na, nababaw ang kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog guys, this is the first vlog ng New Year 2022 and we were invited by PANDA. So this is located dito po sa SM City Clark and I've heard meron silang unlimited shabu-shabu or hotpot and meron din silang mga unlimited buffet. So grabe, napaka right timing naman ng start ng vlog natin for this year, di ba Mark?
Yes, so titikman natin and we will see kung ano yung mga in-offer nilang unlimited.
Yep.
And kung ano ba yung mga something interesting dito.
So again guys, samahan niyo po kami sa video na to. If you want to know more about this, let's go! Alright, so this is it, Mark.
Yes.
Finally, so natapos na natin yung preparation natin for our table. And once again, we would like to thank PANDA for inviting us. Located po yan dito sa SM City Clark.
Yes, actually, ang pinaka-specific na lugar niya is sa may bandang likod.
Actually, malapit siya dun sa may Park-In Hotel.
Yeah.
On our table, actually, this is an unlimited buffet and hot pot.
Yes.
So I think yung pinaka-dish na talagang you're gonna go for here is yung hot pot nila. And grabe Mark, pagdating pa lang nung kanina, yung soup natin, nag-iba na yung aroma yung amoy.
Napakabango. They have the normal soup and yung kanilang spicy.
Spicy,
Yes. At the same time, kung ikaw naman yung mahilig sa mga meat, unlimited din yung mga meats nila and veggies.
Correct. So siguro let's mention, no, so like for example, meron tayong mga this one squid, no, meron din tayong mga meat.
Sa mga meat natin, meron tayong beef, pork, and yung lamb.
Oh, lamb. First time natin kakain ng lamb sa mga hot pot.
Yes.
No?
Meron tayong iba't ibang klase mga add-ons. So meron tayong mga squid, mga balls na pang shabu-shabu talaga.
Yes.
Meron tayong mga
Mushrooms.
and mga iba't ibang klase ng veggies. Yan.
Alright. And then aside from the hot pot, meron din tayong unlimited buffet doon. So you can have your rice, meron din tayong buttered chicken. And I think na-excite ako is for this one, mga baby lobster.
Baby lobster. Andalang lang naman mga nag-o-offer ng ganyan.
Andalang lang yan.
Unlimited.
Unlimited guys, baby lobster. Parang nakikita ko lang to sa mga nagmumukbang. No?
Yes.
Speaking of mukbang, so I think this is a great place for you to have a content
Yes.
na nagmumukbang.
Imagine as low as 499 pesos.
Yes.
You could dine it dito sa may PANDA and you could eat all you want and drink beer as you can.
Yes. So during the dinner naman, it's 799 and meron silang add-ons dito like that salmon.
Yes.
So may mga premium meat na available dito. Anyway, so we won't bore you long. Pakitaan na natin kung ano yung mga pagkain natin and tikman na natin ito.
Yes.
Tara!
Right. So syempre kukuha tayo kanilang spicy. So meron tayo dito mga shrimp. Ooh. Syempre kuha tayo dito mga gulay. No? So imagine yung kanilang 499 pesos is from 11 AM until 5:30. Yung susunod na nun is 799 na siya.
So, let me add din, no? So, kapag exact birthday mo naman na pumunta dito and you are couple, meaning you have someone na sumama sa'yo, no? At least one, libre ka na. Now, if it's your birth month naman, at least 3.
Ikaw yung pang-apat, so tatlo na lang yung dilibre mo.
Exactly. Alright, so kain na tayo guys.
So since nabitin tayo dun sa unang kuha natin, so nag-ano tayo, next round tayo. Another set dito, like mga gulay, mga meat, since unlimited nga. So susulitin natin to.
Alright, so there you have it guys. Unlimited hotpot at buffet bang hanap nyo, visit na sila dito sa Panda.
Yes, for as low as 499 pesos, you could taste your unlimited hotpot and yung buffet nila.
And during the evening naman, 799 pesos tayo dahil mayroong mga additional meat tayo dito. So, make sure na visit this while the promo is still very cheap.
Yes, Panda is located dito sa may SM City Clark. So, ang pinaka-landmark niya is yung malapit siya sa may Parkin Hotel. They are open from 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Napakahaba niyan. So again guys, if you like this video and if you like the food you saw in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to check out Panda.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.